speaker. She really captures our attention.
She's very educated, which is nice. We're taking a lot home with us that she's taught us, so that's good.
Very upbeat and positive. High energy, great speaker.
Being hands-on, and I really like the fact that we know she's working in the office every day, and she isn't just talking, she's actually like doing these things. It works.
When you look at your guide, you think about, am I going to do a molar, am I going to do a premolar, am I going to do a central? Those are the things that I want you to really look at with your guide, and then you're going to have your scissors and you're going to be able to cut it. Actually comes with a wedge now that actually has these little things that stick out, so that way when you put it in, it actually expands. I still am a big fan of the